everyone, my name is Kunji and this is Cooking with Kunji. So today is a rainy day, can't cook on my grill like I want to, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do roast fish, Jamaican style, but in the oven. Okay, that would be fish stuffed with veggies and smothered in some seasoned butter that I'm going to season myself, and then wrapped in foil. Usually you roast that over the fire. Today I'm going to bake that in the oven. I'm going to bake it at about 400. That's, probably as high as the fire would be, and then we'll check it out and see how it is. I'm going to be using the Reggae spice sweet and sassy along with the booyah dry rub. Stay tuned, see how I make this macaroni boy. So what I'm making is my butter paste, and I have some shredded carrots, onions, garlic, and thyme, along with my Reggae spice sweet and sassy wet marinade. And that's what I'm going to be spreading on top of the fish and on the foil beneath it. That will help to maintain moisture, and that butter will run that flavor right throughout the meat of the fish. I'm also going to be putting some spinach, some peppers, some more onions, a few pieces of carrots in the fish, and then those veggies will cook, and that will be one part of a complete meal. I think I'm going to be serving this today with some rice. Similar to my steam fish video that I did, this is almost the same thing. Main difference is it's not really gonna have a sauce per se, but you will get a fair amount of juices that will come from the fish itself and the veggies that you cook with it. If you haven't seen my video with my Jamaican style steamed fish, I'll go ahead and link that up above so you can check that out. That's done stovetop. This is just going to be done in the oven. So my fish is wrapped, ready to go in the oven. I'm thinking at 400 degrees It's gonna take about 20 or 25 minutes. This fish is really thick, might take a little longer. Stay tuned. So the fish is done after 45 minutes in the oven. My carrots are still al dente, but the fish is completely cooked. And I'm gonna put a piece of this fish on a plate served with some rice. Alright, so my oven roast fish is done. I'm not as excited as if I had done it on the grill, but we're gonna go ahead and check it out and see how it is. You take at it. Right there, just served with some plain white rice. And here goes the taste. Oh, I'm not surprised, but I'm pleased at how the Reggae spice seasonings work so well with the fish. Always has. So thank you for watching this video today. Steps and ingredients are going to be in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.